Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. What is your name?
My name is Eva. And you, what is yours?
Mine is ADAMA. How old are you?
I'm 16 years old. And you, how old are you?
I'm 18 years. Where are you from?
I'm from Dakar. And you, where are from?
Me too, I'm from the capital of Senegal.
Ooh, that's great. But where do you live?
I live in Mali. And you, what is your native country?
Me, my native country is Senegal. I am Senegalese.
You have a good nationality. But what do you do?
I am student. And do you work?
No, me too, I'm student. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I am only child. But I live with my family.
Oh, I am so sorry. Do you speak English well?
Yes, I speak English and French very well.
Oh, that's great. But I'm going to let you. Someone is waiting for me.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too, and thanks, Ava.
You're welcome, Adama.